Isn't it a pain being so disciplined? Well, yes and no. I know I've been neglecting coffee with my new man lately, but let's do this. I got some truth bombs for you guys. So, yes, it's a pain to be disciplined. It's a pain to make sacrifices. It's a pain to work hard and put in the work day in and day out, year after year. It's a pain to pass the partying and instead stay focused on your goals. It's a pain to refuse comfort food too, and pain to go against the grain or against the pack. I like the lone wolf life though, and it's damn sure pain in the butt to do all of the little mundane habits and practices over and over and over again, especially when no one is looking. But it's damn well worth it, putting in the effort and embracing the suck. It gives you such a profound source of accomplishment, and when you finally achieve your goals, like it's unreal. Trust me, I know pain, discomfort, obstacles, tests, challenges, and competition make everyone better, but not everyone knows that, accepts that, or wants to believe that. If you choose to work with me and my team, I'm gonna take a wild guess and guess that you embrace the suck. And if you're not there yet, we can help you. If it was easy, everyone would have a six pack and be beach ready year round. Everyone would be a winner. If you want to make major accomplishments, you're gonna have to be different than everyone. If life was easy, everyone would be a leader and a winner. That's the thing, though. It's not easy. At times, it's really, really hard. Why should you trust me and my team? After surviving near fatal car crash and acquiring a traumatic brain injury, uh, I found my way back to life on my own terms. Now I help veterans and other disabled people to build an indomitable mindset and improve their own lives, live longer, feel better, and add life to your years.